My name's Chef Egg, and I'm gonna give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, we're gonna make some air-fried salmon with a cucumber salad. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is dry our salmon really well. So we just have some paper towel over here. This is a wild-caught piece of salmon, but you could do wild-caught, fresh, frozen, or farmed, whatever works with your budget and whatever's available, okay? The first thing we're gonna do is season with a little bit of kosher salt right on top. Then we're gonna take some fresh cracked pepper. That looks really, really good. After that, we're gonna take a little bit of Dijon mustard, about a tablespoon. And we're gonna spread a thin layer over the whole thing. This is gonna flavor the salmon, but also it's gonna help our herbs to stick in the next step. So a little bit of Dijon over here, pop that over there. So as far as herbs go, I have some fresh dill. I also have some flat leaf parsley. Let's get that right off the stems. Last but not least, I have some fresh mint over here. And I got all this stuff from the garden. But I really think it is of great benefit to check out the herbs at the grocery store. They add tons of fresh and vibrant flavor to your food, and they're very low in calories. So we're gonna take all of these herbs and we're gonna chop them up nice and fine. Take these herbs and we're gonna mince them. Give them a good toss. Lots of flavor from this, beautiful aroma as well. And we're gonna cover the salmon just like that. I'd say a piece of salmon this size is gonna take about maybe 1/3 of a cup of fresh herbs right on top. That looks beautiful. And we're gonna finish this off with a little bit of olive oil. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a piece of parchment paper, and we're gonna grab our basket over here. We're gonna line our basket with that parchment paper right on the bottom. There we go. And then we're gonna take our salmon, place it in the basket. We're gonna air fry the salmon for about 7 minutes at 375 degrees. We're gonna check for doneness, and if it needs another minute or two, we'll give it until everything is nice and flaky to the touch. Now, while the salmon cooks, we're gonna make a simple cucumber salad. I have some English cucumber over here. I like the English cucumber because it doesn't have as much seeds and as much wetness in the middle. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna cut it into quarters. Turn that to the side. Let me move this back here so you can see. And we're just gonna cut small slices of cucumber. Toss it in our bowl. Next up, we've got some bell pepper. You can use any kind of bell pepper that you like. We've got some orange bell pepper today. So we're gonna slice that down into strips. That looks good. You know, the more color, the merrier in these recipes, especially when you're making a really fresh and vibrant salad like this. Makes it really inviting when people check it out on the plate. Got some bell pepper over there. Let's chop up some of these cherry tomatoes. That looks good. Just slice these into rounds. You can use any kind of tomato that you like. You can use any color or size of tomato that you like. Anything you have on hand will totally work for this. Just cut it nice and small. That looks great. We're gonna add a little onion to this. I've got some red onion over here, so just a little bit. Get that outer layer off. Just do some slice of red onion in here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Add some color, some flavor, and some texture to this. That looks beautiful. And now we're gonna take a little bit of our fresh dill again. Chop that up. Put it right in there. Little squeeze of lemon on this. Little pinch of salt. Got fresh cracked pepper. And then a little bit of olive oil, just to make a light dressing with that. And give this a mix. Keep it simple. Add what you have, any kind of onion, cucumber, bell pepper, or tomato. Anything you have on hand is perfectly fine for this. That looks beautiful. We're gonna set this aside until our salmon's done. So I just checked the salmon. It's gonna need another 2 or 3 minutes to finish through. The goal is to have the fish be nice and flaky when we touch it. The salmon looks and smells amazing. We're gonna take some little spatula, pop it right down on our plate over here. Wow, that looks so good. The salmon looks amazing on the plate all by itself. Let's take some of this salad, just put it on the side, just like that. Add some color, little difference of texture and flavor, something fresh, something vibrant. Take a little bit of this lemon, put it right on here for later. So this is our air-fried salmon with cucumber salad. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.